Are you prepared to unlock a secret that has left doctors completely astounded? If you're over 50, this age-defying spice could transform your life in unimaginable ways. Welcome back to our channel, where today's sensational topic is sure to blow your mind. We are all aware that ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, but recent studies have uncovered extraordinary benefits, specifically for those over 50. This humble root is making waves and astonishing doctors with its profound impact on health and vitality. If you find this information helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned until the end of the video for a valuable tip that you won't want to miss. In this video, we will unveil the top 5 benefits of ginger that are revolutionizing the lives of people over 50. We will delve into the science behind these incredible effects and offer simple yet powerful ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Trust us, you won't want to miss this groundbreaking information that could transform your health and well-being. Stay tuned until the end as we uncover the secrets of this remarkable spice that has everyone talking. It's time to harness the power of ginger and live your best life, regardless of age. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss ginger's phenomenal anti-inflammatory properties. One of ginger's most impressive attributes is its potent anti-inflammatory effects, thanks to gingerol, a bioactive compound that acts like a superhero in fighting inflammation. As we age, our bodies endure more wear and tear, which can be particularly troublesome for those over 50. Aches, pains, and joint stiffness can make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. But fear not, ginger is here to help. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties of gingerol can alleviate joint pain and reduce inflammation, making it an invaluable ally for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. But there's more. Ginger's anti-inflammatory powers go beyond just pain relief. By reducing inflammation, it enhances overall mobility, crucial for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we age. Whether it's a leisurely park walk or playing with the grandkids, ginger helps you move with ease and comfort. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Pain Medicine revealed astonishing benefits of ginger for older adults. Researchers Daly, Jang, Kim, and Park discovered that ginger significantly relieves pain, even outperforming conventional painkillers. Although the study primarily focused on menstrual pain in older women, the findings underscored ginger's powerful pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. So stay tuned as we explore more incredible benefits of ginger and how this extraordinary spice can revolutionize your health and vitality. These outstanding benefits address a variety of health concerns for older adults, including arthritis, digestive issues, and age-related inflammation. The next time you feel stiff or achy, remember to call on ginger, your reliable inflammation-fighting ally. Add a pinch of this magical spice to your meals or enjoy a warm, soothing cup of ginger tea to unleash its healing properties. Your body will be grateful, and you might find that age is just a number when ginger is by your side. Next, let's explore ginger's benefits for digestive health. Ginger has long been known as an effective natural remedy for digestive issues, and for those over 50, it is invaluable. As we age, our digestive systems can become more sensitive, leading to discomforts like bloating, gas, and indigestion. These symptoms can dampen even the most enjoyable gatherings. Fortunately, ginger can come to the rescue once again. This modest root can promote proper digestive function, soothing an unsettled stomach and providing much-needed relief. Before we continue with this video, I need to ask you, are you feeling tired, struggling to gain muscle, or dealing with a decreased libido? It's time to take action. We present to you the Men's Power Guide, 50 natural juice and shake recipes to boost testosterone. This ebook, packed with delicious and easy-to-make recipes, is the ultimate solution to naturally increase your testosterone levels so you can feel more energetic, stronger, and confident every day. The price is very affordable, and by purchasing it, you are also supporting our channel to bring more health-related content to you for free here on YouTube. Get it now by clicking on the link in the first pinned comment of this video. Now, let's get back to the video. What's the secret behind ginger's digestive magic? It's all due to its potent compounds, such as gingerols and shogaols. These compounds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and relax the gastrointestinal tract muscles, making it easier for food to pass comfortably. It's like a gentle massage for your insides. If you're over 50 and often deal with digestive issues, give ginger a try. With its long-standing history as a natural remedy, it's worth a shot. Add a pinch of ginger to your favorite recipes, sip on some soothing ginger tea, or snack on some candied ginger. Your digestive system will thank you, and you might find yourself feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to face the world. Now, let's discuss ginger's immune-boosting properties. For those over 50 whose immune systems may not be as strong as they once were, ginger's immune-boosting properties are a true gift. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to infections and common illnesses, which can disrupt our plans and make us feel unwell. But don't worry, ginger is here to help. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, ginger can strengthen the immune system, empowering it to fend off pesky germs and keep you feeling your best. But there's more. The antioxidants in ginger do more than just support a healthy immune system. They also help neutralize free radicals, like those notorious molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies and contribute to various age-related health issues. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're not only boosting your immune defenses, but also taking a proactive approach to maintaining overall well-being. If you're over 50 and seeking a tasty, natural way to give your immune system an extra boost, try ginger. Add some zing to your meals with a sprinkle of ginger powder, cozy up with a steaming cup of ginger tea, or indulge in a ginger-infused smoothie. With ginger on your side, you'll be better equipped to fight off infections and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Next, let's discuss ginger's ability to support cognitive health. Ginger is a versatile spice that not only adds flavor to your favorite dishes, but also plays a significant role in supporting cognitive health, especially for those over 50. As we age, our brains may need some extra care. This is where ginger comes in. Some research suggests that ginger may have neuroprotective effects, helping to maintain cognitive function and keep our minds sharp as we age. It's like a personal trainer for your brain, ensuring those mental muscles stay toned and ready for action. But how does ginger work its brain-boosting magic? The secret lies in its abundance of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a major enemy of cognitive health. Oxidative stress has been linked to various age-related cognitive issues, including cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're equipping your brain with the tools it needs to fight the harmful effects of oxidative stress and stay in top condition. So, if you're over 50 and eager to keep your mind sharp and focused, consider adding ginger to your routine. Sprinkle ginger powder into your favorite recipes. Enjoy a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even try ginger supplements. With ginger as your cognitive ally, you'll be well prepared to tackle life's challenges and continue to impress with your mental acuity. Next, let's explore how ginger can help with blood sugar regulation. Ginger is not only a culinary delight, but also a champion for blood sugar regulation, particularly for people over 50. As we age, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important, especially for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or already managing the condition. Enter ginger, the unsung hero of blood sugar regulation. This powerful root has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to respond to insulin and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. How does ginger achieve its blood sugar balancing effects? It's all thanks to its unique combination of bioactive compounds like gingerol and zingerone. These powerful molecules enhance the body's response to insulin, ensuring that glucose is efficiently absorbed by your cells and preventing blood sugar spikes that can negatively impact your health. So, if you're over 50 and seeking a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, consider giving ginger a try. Whether you add ginger powder to your morning oatmeal, sip on invigorating ginger tea, or experiment with ginger supplements, incorporating this potent root into your daily routine can help keep your blood sugar stable. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to manage your blood sugar and embrace a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 5 incredible ginger benefits that are leaving doctors astonished and transforming the lives of people over 50. We hope this video has inspired you to harness the power of this amazing spice and experience its life-changing effects for yourself. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you already enjoying the benefits of ginger, or are you excited to give it a try? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite ginger recipes in the comments below. We can't wait to read your stories. If you found this video enlightening and valuable, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us spread the word about the incredible health benefits of ginger and reach even more people who can benefit from this remarkable spice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content that will empower you to live your healthiest and happiest life. Until next time.